Moto Guzzi has made another big splash in the automotive world with the launch of their latest motorcycle. This is a new and exciting offering from Moto Guzzi, a true game changer in the sport bike racing segment. Building on the success of the Moto Guzzi V85 family, the bike offers a sporty design packed with iconic Moto Guzzi styling. The iconic red tubular frame and 850cm V-twin engine are still the main stars. But this time, they are combined with an aerodynamic fairing and a more aggressive riding position, which makes it clear that this bike was born to stand out. The new bike is designed to provide an unparalleled riding experience on the road, and its launch is a testament to Moto Guzzi's boldness in exploring new territories without losing its classic charm. The bike is poised to captivate Moto Guzzi fans looking for new thrills, and a new generation captivated by its sophisticated design and cutting-edge technology with the introduction of the Moto Guzzi V85 RSP 2025. A motorcycle that redefines the boundaries of innovation and excitement. The V85 RSP features a sleek front fairing designed to maximize aerodynamics at high speeds. The round headlight with LED technology gives it the retro-futuristic feel that Moto Guzzi is known for. The sharp lines on the body and the red and white color combination on the tubular frame give it a sporty yet elegant feel. The slim fuel tank is designed for the rider's comfort when turning the bike around sharp corners. Despite its aggressive looks, the V85 RSP still features Moto Guzzi's legendary 850cm V-twin engine. This engine has been upgraded to produce more power, reaching an output of around 80 horsepower, with a smooth 6-speed transmission system coupled with axle shaft drive, ensuring a low-maintenance riding experience while still maximizing performance. To support the sporty driving style, the V85 RSP is equipped with a fully adjustable inverted fork front suspension. At the rear, the monoshock suspension works progressively to ensure stability and comfort in all road conditions. The Brembo braking system with large discs on both wheels provides optimal grip. Although this bike is the imagination of RSCA designers, however, it is possible that this bike will be considered for production by Moto Guzzi due to market demand.